She was 14 years old, and before she died, she hit record. On February 13, 2017, best friends Abby Williams and Libby German went hiking on the Monon High Bridge Trail in Delphi, Indiana. They never came home. When searchers found their bodies the next day, investigators discovered something extraordinary. Libby had secretly activated her phone and captured video and audio of the man following them on the trail. His face, his voice, his walk, all of it recorded. Within days, police released the footage to the public. The killer's image was everywhere, and still, he walked free for 5.5 years. Then in October 2022, investigators arrested Richard Allen, a local pharmacist who lived less than a mile from the trailhead. He had been interviewed early in the investigation. A DNA connection and a tip buried in the case files finally broke it open. In October 2024, Richard Allen was convicted of both murders and sentenced to 130 years in prison. The evidence was always there. The question is why it took so long to see it.